This video shows you how to capture a minute floor plan or a floor plan 2D Plus with the UICapture app. First, I will open the app on my phone. Then, I will click on the plus sign to open a new project. I will select Floor Plan 2D Plus because in my case the client wants to use the video version of the 3D. Then, I will click on Untitled Project to change the name of the project to the address of the property so it's easier to find it later on. In that case, it's a test, so not a real address. Now I'm ready to shoot. To start shooting my first floor, I click on the blue camera button and start moving my camera around, dropping it where the scan in the 3D should be, and hide for 1 to 3 seconds for each scan. Once I'm done scanning my first floor, I will click the red square to stop the recording. The app will automatically transfer the video from the data to my phone. Once the transfer is completed, the blue camera button will show up again. And now I'm ready to shoot my second floor. All I have to do to create a second floor is to hit that blue button and it will automatically create a second floor. We just repeat the same process for each and every floor in the property. Once I'm done shooting my second floor, I will press the red button and the camera will automatically transfer that video into the app. Now my project is completed and it's ready to be sent. Just like with a 3D, I will upload my project using the upload button located at the top right of my screen. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you.